What's in this Thompson water seal? How does it work? The stuff's like water thin. The company's been making this stuff for quite a few years, and they've got a few different formulas. The stuff we're using right here is from the 80s. If you read what it's made from the MSD sheets, it's melted wax in alcohol. If you took an old paraffin candle and let it dissolve in some alcohol, chances are you're going to have something that's pretty close. Some of the formulas have like a little bit of a bleach in it, the same chemical that's in rhubarb leaves. This will kind of even out the wood grain. If you let the brush dry, the brush has kind of got like a waxy feel to it. The bristles aren't stiff like a varnish. Some wood preservatives have propylene glycol in it. It fills the wood pores so the water can't get in. This Thompson water seal is not cheap. For 5 gallons of it, it's about $60. Next time I need to do some wood preservative, I'm going to try a few things. First thing I'll try is melting a candle in some rubbing alcohol. When I read the MSDS sheet, it sounds like wax and denatured alcohol. As I run these experiments, I'll make another video. If anyone else has already done the experiments, please leave it in the comments below.